So, guess what? This is that second, actually the first official episode of Cooking with Jarvis. Cooking with Jarvis. Cooking with Jarvis. Cooking with Jarvis. Okay. I'm gonna actually officially do this for once. Because, like, I just didn't do it last time. Because I did this last night too. Because I did it too. But I just did not take out the files. I don't plan on doing it. It's like 10 o'clock at night, so let's put some water in here. Let's get started. Perfectly the amount of water. So now we have to do it here for 3 minutes. And for that. Okay, so get that cooking. I don't know what to do. See, hold on, what? I'm back. Wait. What is this? I was about to say, like, oh yeah, it's like, also I need to beat this other YouTuber name, just Cooking with William Hoffman. Yes, you don't get a Hoffman part, just Hoffman, because, like, I need to beat him. Currently, he was at 14, then I think he dropped to 13. I don't know, so I just need Janet to get to at least 20. Just get to like 15. If this YouTube channel get to 15, I'll be very proud. And I'll do something funny. Very special. And I may, with that special thing, maybe just me playing games. I don't know. I may even get on a group chat call with some of my friends and play some Repo on Steam. Oh shit, something's done. Well, I just say almost like 40 seconds. Like 5, 4, 15, 10, 8, 9, 10, 30. Like around like June. I think June like the first week of June. I'm gonna get no uploads. Actually, you may get a few uploads, but it's gonna be a special upload since I'm gonna be here. Oh yeah, got one more thing. So this is not gonna be my regular. It's gonna be my regular, like some of the special ones. I do some more advanced things. I'm gonna do mine upstairs. Leave that open because it's like kind of smoky. Alright, now we gotta put this cheese in, or you can press it. So like, I'm about to open this. See how, oh yeah, it's coming up. It's coming out. All that shit. channel, but like one singular person gonna watch this. Also, I'm gonna do more than this. Just trust. Just trust. I'm gonna do, cause like my upstairs just more like the advanced shit. Well, real cheese. Actually, I could have done that. Could have. Save it around. I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna save it. Also, if you think it's like kind of based on what Kaya, it kind of is. But like same time, supposed to be. Oh my god! Get the fuck out! Just get the fuck out! Get out, damn it! Gonna be mainly based on. Ever heard of Cooking with Kenton? This is what it's based on. This is what it should be based on. Let's go copy this. Oh shit. But don't worry, this is too big. But that what she said. That what she said though. I'm gonna stir this. I need that scalus. Jarvis in my level 8 kitchen. I gotta make sure it's scary that's good. Nah, actually, it was on 90. Or like 7 minutes. Actually, that's not a good timing. How long is this video? I'm gonna say it's not gonna be a very long video. I'm trying to catch it at 10, so like. Thank God. Some more earlier. I had a hell of a time reaching my phone in my pocket. My phone with his damn right there, freaking there. What the hell? I think I might want to talk a little bit louder because when I heard this video, like the first short I made, sounded like I was whispering. And so I had to put subtitles on this, so maybe I want to speak a little bit louder. This is absolutely busting whatsoever. I have a full one, too. He just got drafted, so like, there's only one person that ever saw that. It'll be like people that gonna see actual first Cooking with Jarvis. There's been one officially, not this one. The one I made. What, to turn on ventilation? Like, it's just a fucking rumble. Oh no, but like, stay down in my basement. It's like a lot of rumblings, like, just like the slightest footsteps sound like someone's coming after your ass. When there's an earthquake going on. I don't know. I'm casually walking around. You gonna stop at 11. Shut up and finish this video for y'all. We're gonna look at long-term videos. Okay. Oh, that's all.